Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for Trini Chinese style chicken in the oven. This is going to be a healthier version rather than frying the chicken, which is traditionally done. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. We're starting with our washed and cleaned chicken, and I'm going to add in some ginger, garlic, soy. Next, I'm going to go in with Chinese seasoning salt. If you don't have this, you can use 5 spice along with some salt and some white pepper. In goes salt. Now the Chinese seasoning salt that I use is not very salty. You do need extra salt, but adjust it to your liking. In goes fresh ginger. And now we're going to go ahead and give this a mix. You want to mix it in really well. You want all of those seasonings to get into the chicken. Rub it really well. Now for this, I'm using Diamond's new non-stick foil. This is perfect to use. Just make sure punch in both ends of the tab so it secures the roll into place. And when you roll it out, you're going to roll it out to the matte side facing up, the shiny side face down. This new non-stick technology works great for everything that you have to bake in your oven. So instead of using parchment paper or a silicone mat, this is what you're going to be using now. It's amazing technology that works really well. Now we're going to take the chicken pieces and place it onto our tray. I'm doing it skin side up. Now when you're baking this, you can turn it in the tray to both sides so that it browns well. I actually didn't. I just left it with the skin side up, and I baked it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until an internal temperature of 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to allow it to bake. You want to keep an eye on it, and you can see how it's browning, it's crisping up. And when it's done, this is what it would look like. Now you can take the pan juices if you want and make a gravy with it, but I would actually discard it. Really nice, juicy, moist chicken that does not stick to your tray. So all you have to do is place this on a separate tray, and clean up is a breeze with this foil. It does not stick to your tray and it makes life so much easier. So I'm just going to discard this. And for the chicken, guys, you can chop it up into smaller pieces and garnish with some chopped chives. So be sure to pick up your new Diamond non-stick foil at your leading supermarket in Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe and don't forget to check out their complete line. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.